In a few days, I'm going to a workshop where we will discuss the identity of being a maker. What makes you you for a large portion of my audience? And I would like your help. So please comment on this video with your thoughts and reflections. I'm going to show you my application video for the workshop, and hopefully that can give you some inspiration as well. And by sharing your comments, you will help inform the workshop, because I can bring your thoughts with me. And hopefully I can bring something back to you as well once it's done. So without further ado, here's the application video.
Hi, I'm John. I want to tell you an anecdote, and my anecdote is about balance.
For me, making has always been a balancing act. I'm a maker, but I'm also a researcher in academia, and I'm a communicator. Making has never been something that happens by itself. It is something that I communicate through social media and things like that. But it's also something that I look at, I research, I study. And I need to be believable in all three. That isn't always obvious how to do.
Let me show you. Come. Here's my office. Some of our publications, but also right next to them.
Here's a large puzzle box that I made for a museum interactive experience. This puzzle box that I made, of course, we do research on. We study it, we do tests, we publish on it. But of course, I also communicate this, I also present this. And not only in academic situations, I do this in my private channels as well.
And then later, when I go home,
I go to the CNC machine and use a combination of digital tools and traditional tooling to make copies of medieval board games. I program Arduinos to make Star Wars chessbox replicas.
And I build interactive sci-fi spaceship cockpits. And this balancing act, that's what makes this workshop so interesting to me. I'm a researcher. I'm a communicator. But maybe most of all, I'm a maker. And somehow, I, just as so many others, need to find a balance between these. I need to be able to be a maker and talk about my research, but also to be a researcher and talk about my making. And here's where I would love to talk about finding those identities.